Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about the additive identity, multiplicative identity, additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. Now we are going to discuss about the additive identity. Additive identity property says that when a number is added to a rational number results in a original rational number. For example, that is a rational number is added to a number that gives the same rational number. So what may be that number is? This is the rational number. This is the rational number, and here we are going to put some number, so that if you put some number here and you need to be added with the natural number, we need to get the same rational number. Okay, so this is the variable. If I give the values for this variable like 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is a rational number, then you are adding with some number gives the same answer as 2 by 3. So here we need to add any number we need to add here, so that if you add this number with 2 by 3 gives the same as 2 by 3. So what may be that number is 0. 0 is the only number. If you add with 2 by 3 gives the same rational number as 2 by 3. Not only 2 by 3. For any rational number, if you add the number with 0, then you will get the rational number, same rational number. So here 0 is the additive identity for the rational number 2 by 3. Now we are going to discuss about the topic multiplicative identity. By the definition, multiplicative identity is nothing but when a number is multiplied with a number gives the same number. That is, when a number, that is, it may be a rational number p by q. When a number is multiplied with a number gives the same rational number p by q. So here we are talking about the multiplicative. So p by q is multiplied with some number gives the same p by q. For example, like 4 by 7. 4 by 7 is a rational number. So if you multiply 4 by 7 with some number gives the value same number, rational number 4 by 7. Okay, if I put 0 in the box, if I put 0, then I will get the product of these two terms as 0. So I can't get the same value as 4 by 7. So instead of putting 0, if I put 2, here, then I will get 4 2s are 8 by 7. If you substitute here as a 2, then I multiply 4 by 7 with 2, I will get as 8 by 7. But by the definition, I need to get the same rational number. So 2 is not the multiplicative identity. So 3. Again, if I put 3 here, then 3 4s are 12. So here I have 12 by 7. But again the same, by the definition, I need to get the number, this number multiply with any number should get the same number. So whatever the number, if I multiply with 4 by 7, I can't get the same number as a 4 by 7. Exact only number is 1. If I multiply a number 4 by 7 with 1, then the product of these two terms I will get it as 4 by 7. So here except 1, if I substitute other values, I won't get the original 4 by 7 as a rational number except one number. That number is 1. If I multiply 1 with the rational number 4 by 7, then I will get the same number as 4 by 7. So here 1 is the multiplicative identity for the rational number 4 by 7. Yes. So next we can see additive inverse. By the definition, additive inverse says that when a rational number is added with some rational number or any number results in a value 0. So that is called a additive inverse. Example, A by B. A by B is a rational number. When I adding with some number, it may be a rational number or integer, any number, then I should get the value as 0. Here we are talking about the rational number. So that this number should be strictly a rational number. Okay, then A by B is added with some number should give the value 0. For example, if I give the values for the variable like 1 by 2, I need to add the rational number 1 by 2 with some number gives the value 0. Okay, so I need to add 1 by 2 with some number should gives the value 0. So what may be that number is an inverse or negative sign of the rational number. That is, if I add 1 by 2 with negative sign of 1 by 2 gives the value 0. So these two gets cancelled so that I can get the value as 0. Now we are going to discuss about the multiplicative inverse property. So by the definition, multiplicative inverse is nothing but when a number is multiplied with a rational number gives the value 1. For example, if P by Q is multiplied with a number, any number gives the value 1. Yes. So if for example, whenever I give the values for the variable P by Q like 6 by 8 or 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is a rational number. When I multiply with some number gives the value 1. So what may be that value should be is 2 by 3. If I multiply with this number, that number should be in the form of 3 by 2. That is, this number should be the reciprocal of 2 by 3. Okay. So only if I multiply this number with its reciprocal will gives the value 1. So whatever the number I multiply with the rational number, then I won't get the value as 1. So the only number is just reciprocal the value given here and multiply that value with the given rational number, then I will get the value as 1. Here 1 is the condition. I need to get 1 is strictly a condition, and here given rational number. It may be a integer or rational number or whatever it is. Then here I need to multiply this number is reciprocal of this number. Here we are talking about the rational number. If it is integer like 7. Okay. So whenever I multiply 7 with some number should gives the value 1. So what maybe that number is 1 by 7. This number should be the reciprocal of the given integer. But here we are talking about the rational number. So rational number is multiplied with the reciprocal of the same rational number gives the value as 1. So here 3 by 2 is the, yes, here we are talking about the rational number. So here 3 by 2 is the multiplicative inverse of 2 by 3 for the rational number 2 by 3. Is it clear? So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.